has so many direct answers to what TLPH can
Makanya kayak Kelra gitu ngerengnya tuh di server Indo, bro. Gua aja di DM aja kemarin ngajak main play tanda tanya.
Now in the books, Casters, take it away.
Thank you very much, panel, for breaking it down, and we're gonna find out once we jump into the land of Dawn. It's game 3 here.
Orang Indo tuh banyak yang berbakat guys, dari rank aja jago-jago.
In the finals,
cuman ya emang belum waktunya aja mungkin ke notice kayak gitu-gitu. Makanya guys, relasi itu penting. Gue udah bilang guys. Sayang yang udah jago tapi relasinya dikit. Sayang banget.
One of the best
sama aja kayak dunia kerjaan, bro.
And why it's been so demanding for roamers and EXP laners.
Lu ilmunya contohnya tapi nggak banyak tapi relasinya kenceng, dapet kerjaan.
Right out of the gate, understand this matchup
relasi itu penting banget guys sekarang.
Bring each other to the limit.
Makanya kalau bisa lebih banyak bergaul lah, bro.
I like that when you watch some of the best gold laners right now.
Aduh,
coming in,
sakit.
Wings by wings from
Gelok,
Sanji. Kirk almost caught him.
Yeah, he was there. He got the Purify out too, so you know that's one thing about the Kufra.
Benet.
Pop up maybe 2 or 3 times during the regular season, but typically it's such a niche pick into a composition. And you already hold on again.
Another jump in, point blank. JP forced the flicker away. Onyx put pedal to the metal already, not even 2 minutes in.
It's a whole lot of value, right?
User ini, user Kufra guys, user.
Of what could happen to Team Liquid Philippines for the next 6 to 8 minutes of this game. As Onyx can just continue to invade, check shrubs, poke down JP, poke down Sanji, and just make farming a living hell for Carl TZ. See, King Kong and Kirk are going to be contesting this, although there are 3 members of Liquid that could assist the Young Goat.
Yeah, they're going to fight for that one.
Drop.
Just a little stare down for some extra XP, and I'll go to King Kong. So now again, a jump for Brusco.
One more time.
Seeker belum level 4 guys, level 4 di tengah nih dia.
Keeping him down, bouncing ball. Story is all this time. The bouncing ball feels like an ult that isn't an ult.
Yeah, just so good. Blocks dashes. And by the way, for those who remember,
perang kah? Ala katir-tir level 4 nih.
Brusco charging up.
Di reset, oke. Wah, ini untung buat LPH nih kalau di reset gini nih.
Getting that taunt onto Sanford. Sanford looking for that grab, finds it. Like a final blow, dropped in by Kirk already. Oh, Turtle at a 10th of its health. Who's gonna get it? Carl TZ secures the retribution. Down goes.
Di reset, bejir.
King Kong goes down and
kok di reset ya? Kan dia lagi biru, bro.
That was a fight for them.
Incredible resilience by Team Liquid. Eventually, once that shield was secured by Carl TZ, that meant Team Liquid could fight just a little bit longer so that they would walk out with the win, with the turtle, and a kill onto King Kong. That is not how the fight... Onyx didn't expect the fight to go that way. Clearly, it really looked like I thought they were.
Kok bisa dipanggil ala katir-tir si Glue? Coba aja searching ala katir-tir bro di TikTok, bro. Itu Glue kayak gini-gini doang, guys.
Yeah, he's just been an X factor the entire season, the entire playoffs here.
Nggak tahu emang nyambungnya gitu tiba-tiba ala katir-tir sama Glue, guys. Si Glue tuh kan serem, gara-gara ala katir-tir jadi lucu gitu, makanya jadi nggak serem.
Yeah, and it's on-demand magic damage early on in the game too, which even though you know how tanky a Fredrin is,
mirip.
Tanky as well, especially with the right emblem set. Magic damage early on in the game makes any tanky presence cry.
That's why that.
Thank you yang sudah berdonasi, berkah-berkah buat orang baik ya.
Even back in the regular season, the damage pressure early on is great, but then it also allows you to have a really good damage profile throughout the game, because then eventually, you know, then you have the Granger online, and we know how well he's done so far. Overall, diversion, gonna go ahead and send him down in the other half.
Sanji, the situation wrong! Feathered airstrike into the wrong brushing, gets caught by Onyx.
Onyx knew where the Farsa was, and it was an easy diversion and gank. Oheb's gonna be pushing the top side though, but he needs to back on out of there. JP has read where King Kong is. Liquid, though, might actually be in a slightly better position for this turtle. Sanji will be able to come back on time. King Kong and Onyx still want to get resources away from the Joy.
Sanji literally making like the farce, he was blinded.
Yeah.
Eyes closed.
Eyes closed, trying to flap away and wouldn't be able to. Still in the mid lane, they're going to hold it down. The turtle is up here. See how they play this out. Everyone, he's got some information on his own. He's gonna wait for this one again. This is where we start to see a lot of.
Wih, langsung di Patrick.
Oh, hold on, Carl TZ.
Yeah.
Kirk spending that petrify. Sanji answering back in kind.
Yeah.
Strike. Here comes the shortcut. Sanford takes down Kirk.
Call King Kong tuh pasti. Iya, Petri. Gak ada skill 2 Joy, gak ada skill 2 Petri. Iya, tunggu deh.
Hanging out on that side of the jungle, and then I was gonna say before that actually happened was JP is just come on in, shortcut down, and you're fine. Look at gold lane right now, little 1v1.
Oh wow, Kelra's
up
in
there,
too deep, crossing over through that tier 1.
I'm
looking to take him down, but no! Kelra, the Filipino savage. That's why they call him that. Is he would pull out the most savage plays. I'm glad we caught at least a tail end of that.
Solo kill.
The shield was the difference maker. Of course, a little bit of that impure rage as well on him. Oheb outplayed. He tried as he could, but at the end of the day, there's very little you can do against a hero kit that gives shields when it dashes.
Bro crossed a turret.
He did.
And still won the 1v1.
He cut it in and then made it happen. I'm so glad we had the opening sequence of our grand finals with both of them staring each other down in front of the Immortal Cup, because that's the gold lane. When you put Kelra and Oheb there in a matchup, that's exactly what it seems like. And this is interesting too. You've got the matchup here and it favors the Grangers slightly. I mean, they've seen 64 games. This is basically the gold lane throughout Season 15. Yeah. I mean, it caused a lot of discussion out there.
Might even be for even before Season 15.
Oh, that's true.
The past 6 months.
So this is the new Fred Baksha, huh?
Yeah.
with Fred Baksha still in the game.
Like, yeah.
Except it's a little bit more exciting version of the Fred Baksha. There's actually damage and the duels you can see now, just two beefy dudes
staring at each other,
slapping
Kalau
each other.
Benedetta-nya jadi ngeri.
It's good sometimes.
That can be fun sometimes, but like not all.
Harus bikin damage ini, soalnya kan udah Fredrin jungle, bro. Dia kan pick Bennett karena Fredrin jungle, guys. Karena jungler tank intinya.
For them, they weren't able to get a tower.
Cuman gue pengennya sebenarnya bukan lihat Bennett sih. Bennett kan udah diliatin sama si Lutfi ya. Yujong gitu ya. Yujong lapu, beuh. Aji keren banget, euy. Mau KDA-nya berapapun tetap aja keren gitu, berani pakai hero-nya gitu.
Now Liquid will have to try to get a
Soalnya kan sekarang hero-hero kayak gitu di kiting tuh gampang gitu. Kalau misalnya emang pakai hero kayak gitu berani sih keren banget.
Again, it's a low either up again.
Sanford spots it, but only for a second because Onyx does the same play. Taking out the other half.
Lihat mata ke Bennett. Set.
Force use the purify, wings by wings out.
Mata aing ke Bennett, enggak ngapa-ngapain.
Oh my lord, is Kirk, but he can't save Kelra. Kelra's down. Easy running away.
Kirk.
On his tails. Oh, having JP coming through.
Oh, sakit ya luinya ya.
He's not able to get it, and JP will survive, so he burned the flicker. But an interesting fight, and now the Turtle's up here, last one of the game.
All the more worth it. Now the Turtle up next. Onyx blitzing it. Not a nary thing Liquid could do here. JP just sees the Turtle go over to Onyx.
Great sequence by Onyx. Philippines started off again by the
dapat lo tentang Ibot,
of Super Friends.
Jago lah dulu dia, support 5 dia.
They do have a gold lead here, a very slight one.
Jago, lucu orangnya.
So they still have that to hold on to, but we see here again the presence of the Benedetta canceled.
Kalau MMR suka bikin orang ngetil tuh.
Initially canceled the Feather Dare Strike. It was Kirk that sent Sanji flying way out of position out of that fight to even deal basic attack damage.
It's interesting how many times that we've seen Onyx go ahead and set that up and in the mid lane and put that pressure that way here. I think Kirk, now that he has a Malefic Roar, and if he's able to go ahead and land, even the Petrify combination could set things really up for Onyx Philippines in the next big fight, which is now the Lord, and now these turtles are gone.
Ganteng lu mas, abis potong rambut ya.
Sanford, as tanky as the glue is and everything else, we saw how overloaded that damage can be on him, especially with the crowd control included with a Fredrin there and the Kufra.
And also mainly because he didn't see that coming.
Yeah, it was like a blink of an eye.
The third time that Onyx did that, where they just diverted randomly into one of the 2 river brushes.
Yeah. Which is like the last game. That's how they caught Oheb earlier, so they got to watch out for that.
Yeah, and so far we haven't seen that one big shortcut play that would make Onyx fold.
Maybe this one is it.
Oh!
Huge! King Kong welcomes that alongside Brusco, and it seems like Liquid did not see that kind of response coming through. Kirk, 1v1 with Oheb.
Anjing, gila. Brusco!
Semblance of retribution from the cavalry. Here comes a diversion. Oheb smells something. Oh.
He's like, oh yeah, wait, there's a Lord.
Gila, Leo.
Not go here.
Yeah, he felt it in the wind. Probably saw the grass move just a little bit.
Kupra!
Not my time.
No, that's not it. But man, talk about a play up top, you know, and you think it's a great counter initiation when the shortcuts drop down, having that Kufra and even King Kong there available. So that's something, like I was saying before that broke out, you gotta watch out for if you're TLPH. How's things looking real quick before the next Lord take?
All right, very close in the gold for the two
Mas
gold
Kos.
laners. Already going to the Holy Crystal for Kelra.
Itu tuh nggak tahu ya guys ya, bukan stres gue tuh sangat menghayati guys kalau misalnya nonton turnamen gitu ya, nggak tahu kenapa kayak memang Mobile Legends tuh game terbaik, ditonton tuh seru banget ya. Karena gila Leo.
Oh, by the way, we've been used to seeing the tanky
Gawai guys, mau gawai guys, mau gawai guys.
It's actually a pure damage Benedetta on the hands of Kirk. He's gone Hunter Strike, Malefic Roar.
Yep.
And this is mainly to punish Liquid's less than sturdy lineup. Because again,
Si Sanford ini
that
nggak
thing
bisa
that
pakai
JP
dulu.
tried to do again,
Emang iya,
answer
bro?
in kind with the shortcut, it's not gonna work 8 out of 10
Yujong
times.
lah, suruh
And
dia
now,
pakai Yujong, combo adik kakak tuh
Liquid
si
are
Sanford.
looking at Onyx burst down at this Lord and a quick knockup, and it's still JP who falls. Oheb does get a double kill.
Dibantai
Kirk
Oheb,
and Brusco fall.
Kelra,
Now it's Sanford
Mas,
holding
gua
the
anak
ground
Reksa tapi
here.
pengen berkarir di ML gimana? Sama gue juga kendala nggak dukung Ortu, saran Mas.
Gets taken out. Oheb gets his third kill.
That will, oh, Carl Tease is going
Orang
on the
tua itu
turret.
akan mendukung ketika lu
Rough.
sudah menghasilkan
not able to
sesuatu,
get
bro.
Prince.
Gue juga awalnya juga Ortu kagak mendukung, bro. Cuman gue buktikan dengan hasil, bro. Apalagi zaman dulu e-sport belum didukung sama pemerintah, guys.
They lost the Lord, but they'll be able to stop it. As you look back here, Brusco went
Lebih susah,
in
bro.
first, immobilized
Gimana
by
orang tua mau
Sanford.
percaya?
JP,
Cuman gue buktikan, bro, ya,
on the
dengan
Lord.
juara di Malaysia, guys.
King Kong got
Mewakili
it,
Indo,
got
bro.
knocked up, Brusco, but then Carl TZ's late entry as he was coming from the bottom lane, distracted by Kirk. Kirk eventually joined the fight, but was taken down relatively quickly by Team Liquid.
So ultimately that Lord really
Nama
didn't
digas
get
itu,
on
iya.
anything. Right? I mean, there was a distraction
Maksa
there.
itu, bro, namanya, bro. Benedetta full damage ya. Ditunggu lah. Instan siapa nih? Sanji kah? Oheb juga bisa kena instan itu kalau nggak Roscoe. Skill pasif, Petri skill 1 hilang tuh.
It's still kind of at this equilibrium between the two teams. Yeah, there's a minor gold lead for TLPH, but you're seeing how these fights are breaking out.
Itemnya jadi nih Benedetta, guys. KDA-nya doang nggak jadi ya, 0-3 ya.
Whenever there is a jump or a dash in from Onyx, Liquid have to
Itu bukan
scramble.
poisi.
That is their only response.
Itu ngerank, babi. Jangan samain, guys. Ini MPL Grand Final, bro. Terima kasih sekali lagi ya buat orang-orang yang sudah berdonasi untuk benihbaik.com. Yang sudah berdonasi mau kurban ya. Thank you. Sehat-sehat orang baik, semoga diberi kelipatan dan diberi kesehatan ya. Thank you orang baik sekali lagi ya. Jangan lupa buat kalian yang pengen berdonasi hewan kurban juga bisa langsung ya. Sudah ada 3 di sini yang berdonasi, bro. Sudah ada 3 domba. Terima kasih ya.
Can block them from getting away. It's difficult for a chip, and again, Onyx have drafted this so well that they've shut the key hero of Liquid down.
That's why I think you gotta shift the focus. Yeah, JP is gonna have to do that, but it might even
Gimana
be up to
cara
Carl
dapat
Teasy
partian di
in a way to go
ML?
and,
Mobile Legends tuh
cause
sekarang
enough
sudah
havoc
gampang, bro,
in the
ya.
backline on a Joy just because he is so mobile.
Nyari party udah ada sistemnya di dalam gamenya gitu. Terus sekarang kalian tahu kan udah banyak Discord orang nongkrong buat main Mobile Legends, bro. Contohnya apa? Discord Aura gitu banyak, guys. Yang jago-jago gitu. Intinya apa? Kalau mau nyari teman mabar main, niat nyarinya, bro. Turunkan ego sama harga diri kalian dulu, bro. Untuk apa? Mendapatkan koneksi ya. Lah gua dulu zamannya pindah dari Dota ke ML. Gua menurunkan harga diri gua, bro. Gua deketin Mas Eko gitu, gua tanya-tanya ilmunya, bro. Makanya gua bilang Mas Eko tuh guru gua, guys. Karena dia ngajarin gua gitu.
Is that pressure you can put on the map, so they'll have to keep Carl TZ dealing with that. They're actually going to go 1v1.
Whoa! TZ gets it! Kirk gets popped, and that's the ghost.
Solo kill, bajir! Kena cut aja Kumar.
Undone. He spent the past 30 seconds working on it, and because of the man lacking, Onyx are now second guessing.
Yeah. They are playing around the tanky jungler though, so Onyx can afford it if ever Team Liquid decide to rush. Conceal play into the mid. They see Sanji.
Portal. Wah, lihat Karl TZ coy, lihat.
Lag bro, perang di situ bro, harusnya di area.
Wait, diversion. Halo. Dikejar-kejar coy, Kelranya coy. Sendiri dia. Kena tuh peluru terakhir. Wah, tidak jadi Riz. Liquid. Kalau di PH, Onyx versus TLID itu grand final. Kalau di Indo, Onyx ya TLID rebutan upper biar nggak pulang hari pertama, betul. TLPH kali maksudnya.
Kasong problema, hindi naman nila nasagot yung Joy and also naiwan si Kelra sa may middle lane and nagpalit ng focus yung Liquid mas importante sa kanila na mapatay yung Harith.
At ang ganda nung
Bennett admin 04 guys, Bennett admin guys. Tidak baik ini. Bisa masuk videonya Poizy nih mah.
Oo, mainit yung dugo ng TLPH sa mga letrang K. Kanina pa si Kirk at si Kela. Si King ko kasi naka-pred rin Mahirap patayin So yung choice nila, yung dalawa na lang.
Kaya ngayon, dedepensa muna ang Sonic. TLP shoving the upper hand. Even a gold lead is on.
Wait, portal lagi. Wah, portal 3. Woi, portal kematian tuh gua lihat-lihat tuh. Halo. Waduh. Kalau sesat kan tuh Riz?
It's JP.
It's JP's fault bro. Oh my god, JP buka portal. Karl TZ masuk malah kena Tyrant Revenge. 7 game nih bobonya. Belum tahu sih net ini soalnya. Gua kira juga bakal 7 game sih tadinya. Tapi tiba-tiba Karl TZ-nya malah ketangkep di situ. Waduh. Mapnya dipegang lagi nih mah. Best EXPPH. Best EXP ya. Tahu guys, gue masa bias ngomong Edward sih. Edward bagus gitu loh. Cuma apa ya? Kayak kalau Edward tuh kenapa gue bilang bagus mungkin karena ini kali guys. Mungkin karena dia bisa semuanya kali ya. Damage oke, hero patung juga ya udah. Tapi kayaknya Sanford sih. Sanford juga bagus guys. Sanford juga bisa tuh damage. Gue jawab Sanford deh soalnya masuk grand final bang. Nah itu. Gue jawab Sanford soalnya masuk grand final.
Sanford lah.
Penyakit chip gila. Iya guys. Sanford tuh ada hero power juga kan Yuzong.
Orang dia kepanggil SEA Games juga kok.
So Team Liquid Philippines are winning in the damage department so far. We have seen though, as long as a fight somehow gets split, it's good for Liquid. But when it's a full 5v5 slow front to back, weirdly enough, it's Onyx that actually wins that. So if Liquid can find a way to split the fight, because again, the last fight that was split, it wasn't because of their own doing. It was Onyx who decided to take that movement instead.
Yep, the reverse collapse. Onyx tried to pull something out of it, but again, just spread out these sponges that Onyx had, and that allowed Liquid to decimate them. Now the dance begins again. Onyx still at the lead. JP spots it. Sanford nearby. Conceal play.
Bang, hari ini aku main solo lost streak.
16
kali stress gue main ML.
Managing the bottom, they're gonna have to fight.
Dropping the shortcut. Can they clutch it? Easy scores. Retribution. JP gets popped by Kelra. Sanford follows through. Train up for Kirk. Down goes Carl. 3 for 1. The current exchange. Liquid reeling from the Lord take.
But their unit is way too solid.
Dari
blunder. Way too strong.
Jadi kayak gini.
It's only Oheb. It's only Sanji. Can they defend this?
Okay, the turret's gonna go down in the mid.
Satu kesalahan.
And that might be all Philippines gets off that one.
Another Pyrrhic victory for Liquid. Yes, you get the Lord, but at what cost?
Seems like that's always the question at the end of all these fights. Every fight they're forced into, that slow 5v5, it's expensive for them. They lose more than they gain. But what can they gain with the
Kill
Storm?
1 bro itu
As
Bennett.
Onyx
Di sini
will
Bennett
have to
guys.
go fall back
Kill
to
1
base,
aja udah bagus
wait
bro.
for Kirk.
Jangan lihat KDA-nya lah 1-5 ya. Yang penting ngusir 1 atau bunuh 1 bro. Udah
So they might
bagus.
be able to start the siege.
Lu bunuh 1 tapi dia mati nggak apa-apa bro. Bennett namanya juga ya. Apalagi bunuh 2 gitu lebih bagus gitu. Bennett guys empuk banget kalian pas sendiri lah. Skill 2 timingnya jelek.
Bung. Masih ditahan Lord Evolve-nya, Bung. Mid-nya bakal di-clear dulu. Kayak masih bisa defense dah ini Onyx PH. Kecuali
Selagi Bennett ganggu sih.
aduh, iya selagi Bennett-nya nge-clear mid sih aman ya, asal jangan kena solo kill sama Pejoy lagi aja. Portal. Oh, dia targetnya Brusco sekarang. Weh, JP. Wah, kereknya motong belakang, guys. Portal part berapa nih, bro?
Anjing yang di-flickerin teleport.
Ya. Untung kanalnya nggak cancel tuh. Diversion, ketemu Sanji. Nah. JP, kenapa lagi JP? Portalnya JP, aduh JP.
Oh my god.
Aduh, gak ada trade lagi Onyx-nya. Wah, udah ini malah 2-1 kah? Bang Oheb, defend Bang Oheb. Wah, nggak sempet. Wah, masih ada zaman force dia. Ya.
Chip gue tuh.
Chip gua itu buka portal di situ mau bang.
Masalahnya di portalin Kupra ya.
Enggak, gua ngerti sih Riz kenapa Kufra Riz. Mungkin